Hello, everyone. It's lovely to be able to get the opportunity to make this video introducing myself. My name is Aswathy. I have just completed my PhD in Chemical and Bioprocess Engineering at University College Dublin and the National Institute for Bioprocessing Research and Training, or NIBRT. I am originally from India, where I completed my bachelor's in chemical engineering. I then moved to Ireland to do my master's in biopharmaceutical engineering at UCD, and then stayed on to complete my PhD with the EPSRC Research Ireland Centre for Doctoral Training program and the SSPC at NIBRT and UCD. And I am now working as a research associate at NIBRT. My PhD project revolved around the formulation and stability of mRNA and mRNA lipid nanoparticles. I focused on the physical, chemical, and thermal stability of mRNA, excipient interactions, mRNA quantification, and freeze-thaw studies. And one of the main parts was the study of lyophilization as a potential technique to improve the stability of mRNA and the impact of the freeze-drying cycle and freeze-drying processes on the stability of mRNA. During my PhD, I've had the chance to learn various analytical techniques, such as capillary gel electrophoresis, circular dichroism, particle size analysis, spectroscopic techniques, and many more. Also, as I was based at NIBRT, I've had the opportunity to be a part of many cross-functional collaborations with both industry as well as with other universities. Being a part of the CDT and SSPC, I have had the chance to collaborate with universities both in Ireland and in the UK. And also, I've completed my internship at Purdue University in the USA. Other than that, I was also a teaching assistant at UCD, and I've also completed I've completed 2 industrial training modules at NIBRT and a project management course. I was part of the EDI committee at UCD and NIBRT, and also took part in many public engagement activities. And being a part of so many different projects at the same time has allowed me to understand the importance of flexibility and adaptability, which I think is a skill that can be transferred to any workplace. One of the major highlights of my PhD was that I was based at NIBRT, and this not only gave me access to the GMP simulated environment, which allowed me to understand and be more appreciative of GMP guidelines, but also I was exposed to a company environment as opposed to a university environment, which allowed me to understand key aspects outside of science, which I would not have been able to do so if I was just in university. Other than that, on a broader scale, my master's degree has given me knowledge about the broader biopharma industry and the processes involved. I am now seeking a role where I can not only learn new skills myself, but also use the skills I have to make meaningful contributions to the biopharma industry. I am looking for analytical roles, for instance, in the R&D department or quality control, but I'm also open to other roles in industry that would be suitable to my background. And I would love to discuss further about any potential opportunities or even just to network and keep in touch. My LinkedIn profile is given in the QR code at the bottom of the slide, and also my contact details as well. And thank you so much for your time and consideration, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you.